I used to believe that fact videos were done for completely oversaturated until I stumbled upon this TikTok account. Just 11 videos. That's it. And somehow they've already gained over 50,000 followers and more than 500,000 likes. I was stunned. Could it just be luck? Curious, I dug deeper. And what I found honestly shocked me even more. It turns out these types of videos are popping up everywhere. Instagram, YouTube, you name it. And people are making real money from them. Like life-changing money. Take this YouTube channel, for example. They started barely a year ago. Now they're sitting on over 1.3 million subscribers and have crossed 283 million views. Yeah, you heard that right. Now let's do the math together. Even if YouTube pays them just 10 cents per 1,000 views, super conservative, that's around $28,000 from views alone. Purely ad revenue, no brand deals, no merchandise, just videos. Most people won't make that in 5 years, and someone just made it with simple fact content. But here's the best part. These videos, they're incredibly easy to make now, thanks to AI. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create these viral fact videos, even if you've never made a single video before. Let's begin. Viral video idea. First, we need a killer idea, not just any random topic, something that already has proof it works. And trust me, this is easier than you think. You start by spying on your competitors. Yep, just look around. Who's already doing well in this niche? Find a few creators in your space, head over to their video tab, and sort by most popular. What's working? What's getting views? Now imagine, instead of guessing what will go viral, you're literally copying success. If a video is blowing up on their channel, there's a good chance it'll work on yours too. Boom! You've got your idea, creating the content. Now here's where the magic happens. The part that used to take hours now takes minutes. Let me introduce you to a tool that's quietly changing the game. It's called Viia, a trending AI video generator that's basically your full content team in one place. No script writing, no editing headaches, no royalty-free music hunting. Just head to the video description and click the first link. That'll take you to Viia's simple interface. Hit the Try for Free button and sign up using your email or Google account. Boom, you're in. Now it's time to create your first video project. Tap that shiny Start button. You'll get 3 simple options. Let the AI generate everything from your video idea, upload your own script if you're a word wizard, or feed it a voiceover to build the video around. For this walkthrough, we're going with option 1. Give it a video idea, sit back, and let it cook. So click the Video Idea option, then describe what you want. Something like, create 5 facts about overthinkers. Now, pick your language. Now, there are multiple options. Then set the video length. Since YouTube Shorts can't go over 60 seconds, let's stick with 30 seconds to keep it punchy. You can go longer for platforms like Instagram or TikTok, but this one's just a quick demo. Now hit Generate Script. Wait for it. And there it is. The AI has drafted a clean, engaging script. You can tweak it if you want. But if it looks good, move forward. Pick a voiceover from the options. Let's go with something cinematic. Once you're happy with it, hit Next and give it a few moments to create the full video. Video generated. Let's take a look at the result.
Did you know overthinkers are more likely to be geniuses? Overthinking can be both a blessing and a curse, as it allows individuals to think critically and come up with innovative ideas, but it can also lead to anxiety and stress.
Not bad, right? Actually, it's amazing. But wait, you're not stuck with what the AI gives you. If there's a scene or footage you don't like, just head to the left panel, pick the sequence, and hit the Media tab. Search for a better clip, click, and it replaces the old one. Seamless. To save the final video, just hit the Export button, and your video is now ready to post. Viia gives you 1.5 minutes of free video generation every month, which is enough to create 3 full YouTube Shorts without paying a single penny. That's honestly better than most tools out there. But if you're serious about growing your channel and posting consistently, investing in the premium plan will give you the freedom to create as many videos as you want, whenever you want. Thanks for watching. And if this helped you, share it with someone who needs a little motivation to start their channel. The future of content is here, and it's AI-powered. See you in the next one.